warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Jayang Ramadhani. My study program is English Education, and this course is Elementary English Grammar. The story, The Bird and the Whale, is an original tale about an unlikely but perfect love that blossoms in the bay between two creatures from entirely different worlds. The bird was charmed by the whale's beautiful smile and graceful swimming, while the whale adored the bird's handsome white feathers and ability to soar through the sky. Okay, that's all I can say. I'm so sorry if I made any mistakes in my words. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.